To begin an exam by selecting an existing or previously entered patient, start by pressing the Patient key toward the lower right of the keyboard. In the Patient Search menu, the 4 fields in the top row are searchable. Begin to type using the patient name, owner name, identification number, or species to narrow your search. When you locate the patient you're looking for, you can edit or delete that patient data using the menu options at the bottom of the screen, or you can press F1 or click Start Exam to select the patient. Once a patient is selected, his or her name will appear at the top of the scanning screen. Any images stored with that patient selected can be found in the Review menu under that patient name and a dated subfolder. When you have finished your exam, press the Patient key again to go back into the Patient Search menu and choose End Exam with the trackpad or the F2 button. Confirm that you wish to end the exam, and you will be taken back to the scanning screen with no patient selected.